This is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and in this video we are going to learn some cool BODMAS questions which involve some fractions into that. So we'll be trying to do like 4 different kinds of a question. First 2 questions are relatively easy. So let's start our first question. 2 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1. So we can see there are 3 different operations involved: plus, multiplication and minus. So as per the BODMAS, multiplication has got our first priority here. So I'll be just doing 1 upon 3 times 3. Now times 3 is nothing else but 3 divided by 1. Now in multiplication you can just do a little bit of a fighting on top and bottom. So you can just do the cancellations. There is a 3 here, there is a 3 here. So 3 and 3 I can cancel out. So 1 upon 1, which is going to be 1. So I can simplify that: 2 plus 1 minus 1. Now addition and subtraction has got the same priority. Whatever comes first from left to right. So 2 plus 1 is going to be 3 minus 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 is our first final answer. And that was relatively easy question, yeah? Another question with fractions in BODMAS. 4 times into bracket 3 minus 2 divided by 2. So in this, bracket is involved. So bracket will be my first priority. You can't see that, but within that bracket, there are 2 operations involved. There is a minus and 2 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2, that's a divided by. So that is going to be the first priority. So I'll be just focusing into 2 over 2. So that's going to be 4 times 3 minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that's what I'm going to work out. Still, I have got a bracket. So I'll be resolving this bracket first. 4 as it is, and 3 minus 1 is going to be just 2, and 4 2s are 8. So 8 is our final answer of second question. Question number 3. 6 divided by into bracket 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 bracket complete. So now as per the BODMAS, my first priority is this bracket. So I'll be just working in this bracket. In this bracket, I go to plus 2 fractions. Whenever I am adding or subtracting fraction, the condition is my denominator needs to be the same. But luckily, guys, the denominator is already given same. That's going to be a little bit easier, yeah? So I'm going to do like 6 divided by bracket. Because my denominator is already same, so I can just write down 2 as it is. And then on the top, I can do 3 plus 1. So that is going to be 6 divided by 3 plus 1 is going to be 4 divided by 2. Now 4 divided by 2 is going to be just 2. So I'll be just writing down here 6 divided by 4 over 2 is just 2, and 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3, which is my final answer. But we'll be doing just only one step at a time. And this is question number 4. This is a little challenging, guys, than it looks like. So you got to be a little bit careful here. So 4 times into bracket 1 upon 2 minus 2 bracket complete. Now bracket is involved, so that is going to be my first priority. Now in doing 1/2 minus 2, the very first thing what I'll be doing is I'll rewrite that 1 upon 2 minus. This is just the 2. So 2 I will try to write down as a fraction. So there is nothing underneath. So I can just put on 1. So now I have written 2 as a fraction, 2 over 1. Now I'm minusing fractions. Whenever we are adding or subtracting fractions, we're going to make the same denominator. So this is 2. So I can try to make this denominator 2 as well, just by multiplying here by 2. And whatever I do in the denominator, guys, now you know, no racism. So we're going to multiply the same number on the top as well. Yeah? So we can do like 4 times 1 over 2 minus 2 2s are 4 divided by 1 times 2 is 2. Now we can see my denominator is the same. So I can just do that subtraction of the fractions. So 2 and 2, so I can make a bigger line. I can just make the 2. On the top I can do 1 minus 4. That's going to be 4 times 1 minus 4 is going to be just minus 3 divided by 2. Now we can see this 4, I can write down 4 over 1 so that they both look like fraction. When I'm multiplying, if there is anything common, I can do a bit of a fighting here in the top and bottom. So I can see there is a 2 here, there's a 4 here. So 2 is common, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now in the denominator there is nothing left. So on the numerator there is like minus 3 times 2. Minus 3 times 2 is going to be minus 6, and that is my final answer. So after learning this, guys, you have successfully learned how to handle fractions in BODMAS. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.